How to remove the professional dashboard from Facebook on Android. This tutorial shows you how to switch your account back to a regular personal account. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device and head over to your profile page. After that, tap the three dots on your profile page to open the options menu to open it. From there, scroll through the options and tap on Professional Dashboard to open it. At this point, once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Settings option and tap on it. In the next step, scroll down until you find the option to Turn off Professional Account. Following this, tap on it and a prompt will appear explaining what will change once you switch back to a personal account. Once done, read through the information and tap Confirm or Turn off to proceed with the change. From here, your account will be converted back to a regular personal account, and the professional dashboard will no longer appear on your profile. At this stage, keep in mind that turning off the professional account will remove access to all your insights, monetization tools, and any other professional features you had enabled. Finally, head back to your profile and confirm that the professional dashboard is gone and your account is back to normal. And that's it. If this guide helped you remove the professional dashboard from Facebook on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.